Exploring the Olympic Cauldron, a symbol of unity and celebration. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the Olympic Games and specifically, explore the meaning and significance of the Olympic Cauldron. This iconic symbol is not just a piece of sports history, but it also holds a deeper meaning that resonates with people around the world. Let's light up our understanding of this remarkable symbol. The Olympic Cauldron is a large bowl used during the Olympic Games to hold the Olympic flame, which burns continuously throughout the event. This tradition started in the 1928 Olympics in Amsterdam and has been a central part of the Games ever since. The cauldron, typically lit during the opening ceremony, symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge, and life. It is often placed in a prominent position within the Olympic Stadium and extinguished at the closing ceremony, marking the end of the Games. The Olympic Cauldron is much more than just a burning flame. It represents the spirit of the Olympics, which is about bringing nations together in peace and friendship. The lighting of the cauldron signifies the start of a global celebration of unity, excellence, and mutual respect among athletes and countries. It also symbolizes the passing of Olympic traditions from one host city to the next, reflecting continuity and the enduring nature of these values. The process of lighting the cauldron is a highly anticipated and ceremonial moment in the Olympics. A selected athlete, who is often a significant figure in sports, runs the final leg of the Olympic torch relay and lights the cauldron. This moment is filled with drama and emotion, symbolizing the achievement of bringing the Olympic flame, which starts its journey in Olympia, Greece, to the host city. The design of the cauldron also garners much attention, as it reflects the culture and creativity of the host nation. Over the years, there have been many memorable Olympic cauldrons. For instance, the cauldron at the 1992 Barcelona Games, lit by an arrow, or the innovative design of the London 2012 Olympics cauldron, which consisted of 204 copper petals representing each competing nation. These designs not only capture the imagination but also leave a lasting legacy and become a symbol of the Games themselves. The Olympic Cauldron is a powerful symbol of unity, hope, and the enduring spirit of the Olympic Games. It reminds us that while the flame may be extinguished at the end of the Games, the ideals it represents continue to burn brightly in our hearts. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has ignited your interest and understanding of this remarkable Olympic tradition. Stay inspired.